In this chapter, we are going to talk about functions. Functions are crucial in programming since they provide a way to deliver reusable blocks of code that perform a single related action. Throughout this chapter, we are going to implement an online pet shop as a learning tool for functions. Let's start with a function that is going to greet a customer after logging. Function greeting, open parentheses, and then open a code block with curly brackets. And inside the curly brackets, let's write console log, hello, welcome to our shop. And then to call a function, greeting and parentheses. And we get hello, welcome to our shop. As you can see, we declare a function with the keyword function, followed by a function name, in our case greeting, followed by parentheses. Then we open a code block with curly brackets and provide the code that is supposed to be executed when the function is called. The line greeting calls the function, resulting in the code being executed, and hello, welcome to our shop being printed in the console. Now we know how to declare simple functions, let's improve upon it a bit. We want to provide a more personalized message after customer logging, so let's provide a customer name to our function. So function greeting name, and then console log hello name, welcome to our shop. And let's call greeting now with an argument Jane. And we get hello Jane, welcome to our shop. Here we provided the function with the name parameter. A parameter is a variable in the function definition that can be referenced by the function code. Now, when we call our function, we can provide an argument Jane in place of the parameter name. So, in a nutshell, a parameter is a variable in the function definition, while an argument is the actual value that is passed to the function when it is called. We can define multiple parameters. For example, let's greet our users with their full names. You can use the F2 key to rename a parameter name to first name. So mark the name parameter, press F2, and then type the target name. Then to add a second parameter, add its name after the first parameter, separated by a comma. And let's console log hello, first name, second name, welcome to our shop. And now we can call greeting function with two parameters, Jane, Novak. The result is now hello Jane Novak, welcome to our shop. Great. Now let's get familiar with function return statements. Functions can not only execute certain blocks of code, but they can also return a value as a result. Let's analyze an example. So let's declare a cart variable to keep track of items in the customer cart. And now let's write a function that returns the number of elements in the cart. So function get item count, and let's return cart length. Now we can assign the result of the function to a variable. So let item count is get item count. And let's console log you have item count items in your cart. Here, the function getItemCount returns the length of the cart array, which is the number of items currently in the cart. The return value can be assigned to a variable itemCount, and then it is used to print out the message, you have 0 items in your cart. We can also call the function directly in the console log statement. So console log, you have get item count And let's call this function directly in the console log statement. This results in getItemCount being evaluated to 0. The function's return value is then embedded directly in the message.